call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god. You call me a god.
Hey everyone, I'm about to give you a quick overview of a sci-fi sniper rifle. So let's go around in a circle to see how cool this gun is. Honestly, it appears incredibly awesome no matter which way you look at it, just pure fire. Let's kick things off by covering the fundamental aspects. These are its materials. Here you can control the glow intensity to your liking. By pressing this checkbox, you will be able to control all the colors of your weapon. I'll demonstrate the main color a bit. I probably want a red metal color. Glow color I want. Let it be pink too. And its intensity like this. And I want to change the yellow color to red and add intensity as well. It looks but super tough, so I'll return everything to default state. You can change the color of the weapon for absolutely any detail. For example, the stock. And the optics, let it be red, it's amazing. Now we will move to the demo scene and discuss the animations and what else this weapon has in more detail. Now we are in the demonstration scene, where weapons are lying around, already repainted in different colors, to make it easier for you to understand them. Here lie the weapon parts, disassembled to show you the number of triangles each part contains, as well as the presence of LODs. Let's move on to the animation. This animation, how we draw the weapon, when he draws it, he still holds the handle. Looks cool, this is shooting. The last shot, bolt cycling. Reloading, well, and the reload looks very bombastic. And opening and closing the display. Here we have an aim offset and weapon animation in order. Let's start perhaps with the shooting animation of the weapon itself when shooting the nozzle moves. They function similarly to pistons, and according to the lore, I believe they ought to produce static electricity. Additionally, the functionality of the rails is quite apparent during shooting. This might not be something you'd pick up on while firing from a third-person perspective, but it becomes strikingly evident when you're shooting from the hip. The mechanics look incredibly smooth and natural in that mode. Also, the stock works, precisely the mechanism on the stock, and we move to the main thing. This is Blueprint, the weapon. This is the spot where we can conceal the optics lens effectively. Here we see the sight. The material of the sight can also be changed to your own. That is, you can choose its color right here. Or still add emission, well, and choose to your liking and how you want. Possibly, in the future, you will do this simply through a widget, but it is here. So we move to Blueprint, hide, choose the material. And a very cool thing is the opening of the display. And it's turning on the display. If you look closely, the pixels are a bit texture. You can change this with the help of MIP maps. Here you can do zooming in or out. In version 2 of this project, I will work on the interface and mechanics of the zoom itself. And now, thank you, and until new meetings.